You're watching KC Imageworks.
Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm at Wrexham Football Club, the racecourse grounds, to get some footage of the grounds, and also I'm going to be coming down on a regular basis, if I wanted to film the work of the new stand getting built here, the new Kop stand. Okay, well, I've a fly around, little chat, and I want to say thank you to Wayne Jones for my introduction to the video as well. So there's the turf pub down there that Wayne Jones owns, and his little burger van just outside in the car park there. Okay, yeah, he was kind of, he's a nice fella, really nice fella to talk to. Had time for everyone in the pub, taking selfies, and he done my little intro to the video as well. So yeah, I thank him for that. So get into the video now, have a little look at the grounds because I've never been here before, and have a little chat and some info about the work that's going to be taking place down here. So I won't go into the history of Wrexham Football Club, but I will give some minor details if you like. So as I was saying, as everyone knows, Ryan Reynolds and Rob McElhenney have bought Wrexham Football Club, and they've done wonders for the club. They put them on a map, and to be fair, they're my second team now. After Liverpool's results, I always look to see how Wrexham have got on, and that they're flying in the league. As of recording, hold on, there's a vehicle going past. As of recording, the top of the league by a point with the game in hand. So yeah, they're doing really well. I'm looking to get promoted to the Football League. But planning wise, there's going to be a 5,500 seater stand down here, the Kop stand, and that's going to bump up the capacity to 15,000. And I tell you what, Ryan Reynolds and Rob McElhenney have got big plans for the club, because they said that they want to be in the Premier League, and they're serious. Okay, people are going to say, but you know, it's only 15,000 stadium. Well, Bournemouth only holds what, 11,500, so it's more than what Bournemouth have got at the moment when this stand is completed. So I'm going to have a little fly around. This stand down here, the Mould Road stand, this was built in 1999. Well, it was finished getting built in 1999. It was opened in 1999, if you like. But it looks like a more modern stand than what, 24 years old now, this stand. It looks a lot more modern. Obviously the other stands are a lot older. So don't think about this ground is they've got the floodlights pylons in the corner, so I don't want to go near them. So have a little look down. This stand's slightly older, as is this stand here. I'm not sure on the names of these two stands, but I'm sure I'm going to learn. People will let me know. But yeah, just being in the turf pub, a little chat to the owner, and he's a brilliant fella, really nice guy. Don't look down the pitch. This pitch is brilliant, by the way. I had looked through a gap where you could see onto the pitch. The gap would have been, let's see, down here. So it must be where that tunnel is there. See right, yeah, you see right through to the pitch, which was handy. And it looks immaculate, the pitch, considering the club aren't even in a league. So there's a view of the ground there, well, the building area there. So I did take a photograph, and I forgot to download it on my phone because I wanted to do a side by side, if you like. So I'm going to get over here. Yeah, so it would have been from this way. It's slightly higher, slightly back. But But even if I don't get it right, I will continue to try and get this perfect, this shot. But I'm going to come down on a regular basis and record the progress. Now the stand isn't due to start until around June, do you reckon? I've been asking rounds. So maybe that could be the angle there, but I will swing around a touch of the artist's impression of what the stand's going to look like. I'll keep going round and then I'll try and match it up in post-processing. But I've just been in to try and get the kids some Wrexham home tops, and they've sold out and I'm not getting any more in, which I'm a bit gutted about. So I've come all the way and I can't even ban it. Well, I could buy a scarf if I wanted to, and a away shirt, but I want to get the kids a home top, because since the Welcome to Wrexham started, they've found themselves wanting Wrexham to do well themselves. Well, yeah, maybe we'll have to wait till next season to get them a shirt. Okay, so I'll try my best to try and match that up, but even still I'll be more prepared next time. So I'll take it on the ground now, because I've just been for a walk round. So that Mould Road stand there is the main stand. It's a little stand as well. Now to get to the souvenir shop, you have to come down here, down this road, and the souvenir shop's just, and the souvenir and ticket office just down here. So just down there. I'll swing around this way. I'll get a look. But that's it there, that's the ticket office, and just that's ticket office there. And to the right is the souvenir shop. Got it, mate. Got a thumbs up off the construction worker who's on site. Now I've got to be wary of my surroundings, because I'm not too I'm just going to have a quick look around here, just make sure there's no tall building. No, there's not. Is this Wrexham's training ground by any chance? Does anyone know? Someone can let me know in the comments, that'd be nice. I will Google it when I've left here, but yeah. Okay, so there's nothing in my way, so access to this stand here, so you don't just walk in the back of the stand, or no, you don't. That's a car park behind it, so you must go in the corners to the stands. That's interesting. Well, to me it is anyway. Maybe not to everyone else. Oh yeah, there's access down there, I can see it now. It looks like there's trees in the way. And then the Mould Road stands. I'll say it was built in '99. And the TF pub, which is, you know, it's a cosy little pub, and I'd look where Ryan Reynolds signs, where Rob McElhenney signs. The club crest in a pub, which will be on the screen now anyway, and also Will Ferrell's signature when he came. So they were good to see. Just little, you know, little points of interest for the pub. And again, Wayne, who owns it, he's a really nice fella. Had time for everyone in there, because then he must get it all the time. Can have a selfie. Right, so there it is. That's about it for now, guys. So I'm going to find out when this is going to start exactly, and I'll start getting footage of it and see what interest it gains. So thank you for watching from Wrexham, and I'll speak to you all soon, and look after yourselves, guys. Okay, bye now.